Welcome and welcome back everyone. 2 million views, 10,000 subscribers in 5 years. How did I do it? This cake is for you. 5 years ago, I uploaded my first video with no subscribers, no camera, and no idea what I was doing. Today, we just hit 10,000 subscribers on Gloria's platter. While I make our 10K celebration cake, I am going to share how this channel started and the milestones along the way. Thank you so much for being here. Let's start story time. Gloria's platter began during the pandemic to help others with simple cooking ideas and comfort food. I had no clue how to record or edit. My younger son filmed on his phone and my older son edited the videos. I learned by watching other creators and by making lots of mistakes. Like today, I added baking powder to the sugar instead of the flour. And that's YouTube life. Learning, messing up, laughing, and improving. I am not perfect and I don't want to be. I chose food because we all love food. I am not a chef, but I have loved cooking for many years and wanted to share my experiences with you. So many of you asked for recipes, and YouTube became my way of sharing them. My biggest struggle was being camera shy. I worried about saying the wrong thing or making mistakes. But my husband and sons encouraged me, and I realized everyone makes mistakes. That's how we learn, right? Balancing a full-time job, family, and YouTube was hard, but not impossible. I couldn't follow a strict schedule. I stayed consistent when I could. When I couldn't post long videos, I posted shorts. I tracked every subscriber and commenter and made sure that I replied to every comment. If you take 1 minute to write to me, I want to show you my gratitude. At 5 months with only 490 subscribers, I felt discouraged. My son stopped editing, my views were low, and I thought about quitting. Then I found TubeChat and met incredible creators. Sean, my son, taught me to edit. I bought a tripod and learned to self-record. Although my younger son B still sometimes records. I reached 1K subscribers within a year and met the 4K watch hour requirement. I told myself, even if one person watches my videos, I will make another one for that one person. Short form videos helped me grow. I filmed food everywhere: restaurants, grocery stores, desserts, cakes, what we were eating. I use Canva for thumbnails and DaVinci Resolve for editing. At 1 year and 10 months, Gloria's platter was monetized. I almost cried, but that's when the real work begins. You don't stop, you grow. Other creators supported me, shared my content, collaborated with me. That community helped Gloria's platter become what it is today. Please check the description box for who I am giving the shout outs to. YouTube gave me confidence, family memories, a beautiful community, new skills. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Without you, Gloria's platter would not exist. My goals are to keep creating, educating, and entertaining you. More challenges, family trips, reviews, and collaborations. Your ideas matter. Please leave them in the comments. People ask how much I earn from YouTube. YouTube pays creators after $100 threshold is reached. I have received that 3 times so far, and I'm still growing. Every view, like, comment, share, and subscribe means the world to me. The 10K subscriber, 2 million view milestone belongs to all of us. We did it. Thank you for believing in me. Now let's cut the cake and celebrate together. Thank you for being part of Gloria's platter. Love you all. We are here to celebrate 10K subscribers to Gloria's platter. Here is my partner in recording, B.
Hello.
Thank you everybody for being here all these years, and because of you I am able to make content, and we will continue with my partner's help. What would you like to say?
Congrats, Mom. You've been grinding on your channel, and you discover different types of content and even exploring new stuff, and I'm proud of you.
Thank you, sweetheart. So here is our 10K subscriber cake, and we are hoping that we will get more subscribers. If you are watching on a mobile phone, please hype after liking the video. And now we are ready to cut the cake. Would you like to cut it?
You go ahead.
Right. It's a bit awkward cutting it sitting down. Okay, ready to taste it?
Yes. Cheers.
Cheers.
Delicious.
It's good, huh? Yeah, and the frosting, I like it that it is sugar-free, so I think
It's not overly sweet.
Yes. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Bye for now.